Hi friends, Dina Diva here. If you are a content creator or perhaps you just want better audio in your videos, then perhaps this product here will be a good fit for you. For this video, we're going to unbox and see what is inside this Neewer CM28 wireless microphone set. Let's take a closer look. Comes in a really nice, sturdy case. Very extensive manual. Here is the outer body of the charging case. And inside here we have two transmitters and the receiver. Here is one of the transmitters. You can apply this to your shirt with a clip or with a magnet. Then it has an indicator light that it's on, and then also an indicator light if you turn on the noise canceling function. Here is the receiver. Has a really nice screen. And it also has a clip. Here are the two different adapters, whether you have an Android or an iPhone. So now this can hook right into your cell phone. What's nice about the self-charging case is that the case itself can charge in about 2 hours, and then the receiver transmitters can charge in about 1.5 hours. You have your cable here for recharging the case. There are battery indicator lights here on the front. Additional cables, you have an audio cable, and you also have your Type-C USB cord. Also included are two of these dead cats. And last here we have the nice little carrying pouch to keep everything together. Hope this helps, friends.